Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Here we have 2019 Nissan Rogue, and this car, they just put a brand new transmission. After they put it, we come to start the car, we push the brake, no cranking at all. You see, if this is a BMW or Mercedes, maybe they need to program it because they have drive authorization inside the transmission. But Nissan 2019, does it have something like that? I don't believe so. I know it comes with a CD for the programming, which is here. Nissan Rogue 3VX8E. No, but I don't believe this is one of the reasons. So what we need to do is, before you do anything, be sure your battery is fully charged, which is one of the most criteria. If the battery is charged well, even if the battery is not fully charged, I will be able to get some kind of a little bit of click or something. I don't know. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. So we come here. No, I will call you. We come here. This is a transmission that was replaced. There is nothing different. It looks like the same like other transmission. I'm doing my YouTube channel, my video. So I come here, we look at the battery. Battery is okay. They change the transmission. The first thing you need to do is to do a visual inspection. Where is the starter? You see the starter is located here. That is the starter. And this is the cable, the main cable. So we need to know where is the small cable. When I look around, I didn't find nothing. So I come here, I look, I say, no, it's supposed to have two cables. So when I look at this corner here, I found that the wire, the starter connector, it was here. It was put here. They forget to put it in. What you need to do is, before you put the starter, before you put the transmission in order for you to take this transmission out, you have to remove the starter. For sure, you have to remove the starter. Okay, the time you want to put the starter back, be sure that you're going to plug the starter command, the starter relay connector inside that place and clip it. Be sure that is there before you put the starter. If you don't do it, the car will not start, and also there is no space to put it in. You have to remove the starter again down by removing the battery terminal, make a space and do it. So the problem on this car is they forget to put this connector back and the car doesn't want to crank. So our advice, what we learn from here, is that if you are doing this work, you take the transmission out, be sure that when you put it back, be sure that the two wires are inside. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Okay, when we come here, I'm sorry, I just want to give the information. When we come here, we found this one is sitting here. When we put it out, I thought that this is a harness and I have to take the starter out, but it is not. It is here. You see this place here? This is the place where it goes. So you put it in and that's it. I thought that it's there, but it is here. The technician who opened it, and we come to look at it, we're just looking for it. That means this is where sometimes you have to look for wiring diagram and component and how did it work and so on. But this is how it is. You're gonna take the starter out, you're gonna take this one out, I believe, and this one come out with the starter. And you're gonna put it here, and this way the car will crank. Yes. They made it a little bit easier. Even the alternator is easy to come out. And here is all our system here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.